How to create Capital One online account. Welcome to Purple Circuit and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, search for Capital One. If not, open up your Capital One application in your mobile device as well. Tap on Capital One credit card, checking, savings and auto loans. Wait for your web page to load. Once you are in your Capital One official webpage, you will find various details and offers it has to provide to you. At the top, select on Set up online access. You'll be redirected to a new portal. In here, starting off, you need to enter your personal information. That is your last name, SSN or TIN and date of birth. If you don't have SSN, you can also use a bank account number. Then select on Get Started. You might have to verify yourself and enter the residential information for your account. By this way, you shall be able to create a Capital One online account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.